Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. Eric is not with me again. Today is Eric's daughter's birthday weekend, so he's back home in Indiana with her celebrating her birthday. Happy birthday, Zoe. I miss you guys out here. But I'm over here at the Bays in Romeoville for YouTubers and coffee. Hey, we're YouTubers. Let's go ahead and have some coffee and chit chat about some cars. There's a couple of people here you may know. You may follow them on their channel. But there is a lot of nice cars here. Actually, there's one of them in Pacific that it has 600,000 miles on it, and you wouldn't believe the way it looks. I was shocked when I seen it. My friend Jason and the Bays have been working exclusively with this vehicle just to get it up to par. I'm going to show you guys that here in a little bit. Yeah, like I said, there's a couple of YouTubers here that you might know and follow, such as Legit Street Cars, if you guys know him. I believe Savage Geese is here, running around here somewhere. This is actually the 350Z. It's manual transmission. This is actually clean for the way it looks. What year it is. Manual transmission. Got a nice sexy Porsche. Now, with these Mustangs, I really do like these Mustangs, especially with the bar that goes over. I think that's pretty cool. That's the only way I would get a convertible. This is one of my dream cars that I had wanted when I was growing up, the Evo 8. Now this is, I love the color. I love the color. The interior is nice and clean. Manual transmission, of course. But look at this back end. This thing is so sexy. I do love the way it is. Way it looks. And then look at, you got an Evo 10 pulling up. That's the MR without the spoiler. I like it better with the spoiler, but I do prefer one of these before one of those. Like and comment which one. Comment and let me know which one you guys like, the 10 or the 8. I go with the 8. I'm actually really in love with the 4. I love the way the 4 looks, but 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 I would get. Even the 10 I would make it very tasteful. Take a look at this MR2. This seems really nice. And it's right-hand drive. It's really clean, too. Got a Japan plate on there. The windows are tinted, can't really see, but it does look really good. Now, look at this Lexus. These ones, I think it's the ES300, I think. I believe back in the day when they first came out, I really liked these, the way they looked. I don't know, I had a thing about these cars. They looked really good. Especially being a Lexus. What is this, the version of the Camry, I think it was? Yeah, the ES300, I was correct. Yay, I did it. But I really love these cars for some odd reason. I just always wanted to tint the windows, put a system in there. You know, back in 05 when I was young and dumb, put some 20s or 18s on it. That does look good. I like it. Like it. Now, I'm gonna go around this big old van that's pretty scary in the parking lot. Now, I've been having a debate with Eric with one of these, the GR Corolla. I really like them. I want one as a daily car. These will be very fun, especially in the Chicago winters. You put some snow tires on them. It'd be perfect in the winter. All-wheel drive. Then in the summer, if you want to go play, it's got that differential where you can put more wheel spin to the back. It will be fun. So Eric doesn't like them. I don't know why, but these are a really fun car to play with. Let me know in the comments. Let me know, would you get one of these? Now, me and Eric are working on a couple of projects here, and one of them, I'm not really going to reveal you. I'm going to let you know in the videos of what it is going to be. But we're having a lot of discussions over cars of what we would get and what we won't get. So we're going to leave it up to you guys, and I want your guys' opinion of what cars would you get over certain cars, or what kind of budget you would have to get a car. So we're working on a big project with that. We're going to have a couple of videos lined up. So just keep that in mind for the next couple of episodes. Alright, after that, yeah, Jeep got in my way. That was a beautiful Jeep. But look at this sexy Mercedes. This thing's nice. JJ's detailing. Look at this. I like the carbon fiber accents on it. It's nice and clean. The air ride suspension looks pretty good. I do like the white on carbon fiber. It does look really nice. Look at this. All redone. It looks sick. Yep. Corvette. Sexy BMW. Hey, here's another GR Corolla. What's going on, buddy? How you doing?
Hey, you didn't know.
Look at it. Look at the turbo. I don't know what Eric was talking about with these, but I like them. They're nice, fun little cars. I would have it for a daily. These look good. Does have the forced carbon wrap on top. Yeah, nice and clean. I would have one. Big time. And then look at this. I haven't showed you guys this one. Yes, that is a dark horse. I would pick one of these up over any other one, Mustang, because everybody has one. I never see people with a dark horse. Like the headlights are nice and cool. Of course, it's got the dark horse symbol on it. Ricardo seating, manual transmission. Look at that screen. That is badass. Look at that. Yeah, I would buy one of these, even though everybody has a Mustang, but they don't have a dark horse. But look at this. This is sick. Okay, it's got the white interior. That does look good. 911 to the left. That does look good. Real good. Look at this Toyota. It's a V1200 on hood. V12. Right-hand drive. These seats are so comfortable. I can just see it right now. They're comfortable. The doilies are getting me. Reminds me of the grandmother's coffee table. Everybody remembers them. Look at this back seat. It's got Maybach feelings here with the cloth seats. I bet you this is more comfortable than the Maybach. But this thing is sick. See? V12. Trunk space. It's a mafia style trunk space to fit a body in there. Yeah. Look at this. Sick. The headrest removes. Oh, look at this. You can kick your feet all the way through there and relax. Just take a nap. You got TVs.
They're made for tall people, though, I think.
I don't think so. No, I don't think
Look
so.
at how plush that seat is. It's like
This brings
it's
me
like
back.
phone books.
Yes. But I bet, you know what? It is so comfortable.
Oh, yeah.
Like those what is it, Caprices, the 88s, 87s, when they're all nice and plush and soft. Yeah. Look at that. All redone. Looks good. All right, before I reveal this car, this is what Lexus I was talking about. I am actually sitting here inside of the base. I shot a video in here last time. We actually bring a car in here and wash it. It's also partnered with Chicago Supply Warehouse. Get all your detailing stuff that you have a store up in front. But take a look at this. Like I tell you, it does have over 600,000 miles on it. Think about that. 600,000. Cars these days don't even last over 150,000 miles before they kerplunk. But this one has over 500,000. Alright guys, I just found a gentleman who owns the Lexus, and it's Ahmed from Chicago Car Care now.
That's it.
Now, what did you do to the car? Everything
Did a full mechanical restoration from front to back. Engine is original, transmission is not. The differential is original. The entire rear suspension is original. Kept the struts and the mounts. It was basically a complete mess.
Yeah.
Everything was leaking.
Now you were working with Jason. Correct?
Jason did the whole detail on the inside and outside. I did the mechanics.
That everything on it looked amazing on it. And when I seen it, after I watched the beginning, most parts of the videos, and you're ripping apart, detailing and everything, and it came out really good afterwards. And after seeing it, the real movement, it's good.
Thank you. You can check the whole process step by step of everything that went through this registry on our channel.
All right, guys, I'm ending this video on a good note. Today was a really great day. I can't still believe on that Lexus, over 600,000 miles on it. That is nasty. We actually got to talk to the car care nut, the one that actually did all the work on it. Also got to talk to Jason. He's the one that did all the detailing on the car. It came out really good. Dude, it looks brand new off the showroom. That's really good. Over 600,000 miles on it. That is really good. Got to talk to a few other people. It was a really great time. Till next time, guys, stay humble.